Right, hi everyone. I can do some short videos looking in my hives. First time I've been in them this year, so we'll see how we get on. And we'll go for there. Thank you very much. If you do like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe, is the usual phrase on YouTube. So hit like on as well for the bell to make sure that you see any more videos I release. Thank you very much. Well, let's get to it. Right, it's my first attempt at doing a little video about bees. I've had a few questions from people asking about it, so I thought I'd make a little video, see how we get on. So I'll just give them a bit of smoke to tell them I'm here. It's the first time I've been in this hive this year. I have been coming checking them through the winter, just basically visually checking them, not going into the hive. Just making sure they haven't blown over or been damaged, or woodpeckers or anything like that. On nice sunny days, see if they're flying. They seem well. This one has got a super on the bottom, so I had some honey left over. I think it was 3 or 4 frames, maybe more, when I extracted back at the end of the summer. So I left it, gave them for the winter, and I've what they call under supered the brood box. So we'll have a look, see, and probably switch it over, switch it back to putting super on top. So let's have a look. So let's see if the queen's on the top, the crown board, which I can't see her. Bees are flying lovely today. It's all over, and this box is totally full of bees all the way through, which is great to see. What we'll do first of all is take the usual brood box off and swap it over. Now, looking at the box down here, which would be the super box, there's not many in here. I'll just take it off the floor, drop it on the top quickly. I'll just empty that out while I'm here. There's a few dead bees, nothing too bad. And put this back on. I'll put slightly bigger entrance on as well, I think, when I'm at it. There we go, I'm squashing bees. Right. It's gone back to the top. There's no weight in that at all by the looks of it. I'll just have a quick look to see if there's any eggs in there, which I doubt. Which means the queen could possibly be in the top, but I doubt it this early. No, nothing in there. Not a problem if there is, as long as she isn't. Bees will, if there are any bees, baby bees will make their way back through the queen excluder. So looking at that, looks alright to me. I'll just get rid of, looks like there's a wax moth in here. Let's get rid of that. That one is horrible. It's fine. Okay, excluder. All put back on in a bit. So let's have a look what we got in this box then. So I'm going to be looking for any disease, eggs, and hopefully see the queen. Not a problem if we don't, as long as we find eggs. I mean, she's been there in the last 3 days. Starting to draw that frame out by the looks of it. Continue from last year. It's got honey on it, it's got a bit of capped honey and nectar they're bringing in. I don't know, you can see it glistening. We'll do a proper full disease check next time I go in these. It is warm, but there's a slight wind, which is a bit of a chill. So I'm just having a quick look now, looking at the pearly white larvae and the capped brood in there. There's eggs in there as well. So just quickly looking. This here was a swarm, I think, from last year. Got in one of my boxes. That's why some of the frames didn't have foundation in, so they built straight into the frames. I had some empty frames in there, so I left them to it. So, like this one here, it's got no wire, so I've got to be careful when I'm inspecting, because there's no support. It is older frames now. Looking good, looks like there's a lot hatched in there, and she's backfilled it with eggs already. So this is ready to go. This hive's going to be bursting. See that one there saying no wire? We've backfilled a bit with pollen on that one. Wax moth in there by the looks of it. There he is. Get him out. Just to show, look, nice strong colony, not a bees, but you can still get wax moth. They won't cause a problem, massive problem anyway. It's just nature's way of getting rid of old wax, and then once the wax moth larvae eat the wax, creates more space for the bees then to put more fresh comb in. But as beekeepers, we don't like them because it causes a mess for us. So if we've got a bee being born, emerging from there, just coming out there, and you can see it. There's a few actually. That's quite a nice. That one's got support in that frame. A few waggle dances going on. Looks good to me. Again, this one hasn't got any supporting wires in, so I can't tilt it too far. Oh, that there's got some drone brood in there. Some bee covered in pollen there. More drone brood down here, just about to be capped. So these girls are happy and probably ready to possibly think about swarming if they're creating drones. Come on, girls, out of the way. Or did I put that one in the wrong way around? Got myself all caboodled. All kerfuffled. Right. Quickly go through these. It's probably going to be stores. Nope, some more cat brood. And unsupported. Oh, that wind, I'm going to chill the brood. Comes in blasts. It's alright at the moment, and then all of a sudden you get a little puff. And there's the queen, right in the middle of the frame. Nice blue dot on it. One goes at the way. That's it. And we've got one more here, which normally stuck well, but it had pollen on. Oh, prove me wrong, it's nectar. A load of nectar in there. A little bit of pollen, a little bit of yellow pollen. Alright. Put these back together. So literally only got one empty frame really with nothing on. So I will put the super back on, give them somewhere to put the nectar they're going to be bringing in, so the queen doesn't run out of room, because she runs out of room. And they like to swarm, so. We saw the queen, so we know she's not up here. Crown pulled back. Smoke her a bit of a puff. Keep him awake. Pop them onto there. I'll just give these a scrape, clean them up a bit. Put them back together, simple as that. We do that on every hive. Strap it down, stop the wind blowing over, or potentially an animal knocking it over. And that's it. I'll go on to the next one. Right, now that we've completed that, we'll see how we got on for next week. Some interesting, see about that queen. Yes, so thanks very much. Again, if you like the videos, please subscribe or consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.